Okay, YouTube, here I am at this point with my 2003 Electroglide Ultra Classic. I've taken the drive shaft pulley off, and unlike so many other videos that I've seen about this one actually took almost no effort to remove, and makes me wonder whether the dealer who installed this transmission and pulley ever tightened it properly in the first place. I may have an issue with clearance of the drive pulley with the transmission frame. We'll see, and I'm wondering whether they didn't torque it completely because maybe it was rubbing against the housing. I'm not sure. I'll get feeler when I put the pulley back on and torque it to spec. I'll get a feeler gauge in there and see, and I'll try to review what clearances are. Now here you could see that the inner race for the primary cover bearing did not move all the way up against the output shaft, but it's not enough clearance in there to get the tool in. So I'm going to see what remedies there are for that. I've cleaned everything up prior to dismantling it as best I could, but that oil seal and whatever seals are behind there are going to come out and be replaced because I have oil leaks there. There is my Cycle Electric three-phase stator as an upgrade to the single-phase stator that was in the Ultra in the series 99 to 2005. And this is a must-do. Anybody who's going to do any stator work on this generation of twin cam really needs to do this. Basically, it brings your system up to a 2006 twin cam. I don't know up through what year, but it's really the way to go. And the accompanying regulator by Cycle Electric. The only thing that concerns me about that, and I don't know if we could see it, but there you go. Cycle Electric does not pot the harness into the regulator, but instead uses posts that terminal posts that come out. I'm not getting a clear view. Well, maybe so. And as you can see, I've got an oil cooler there, a Jag oil cooler, fan boosted, but Jag supplies a mount that raises the regulator up higher than it is originally, so that the regulator is not behind the oil cooler. So I know Cycle Electric has warnings about that, and I'm hoping that this Jag modification and consideration of the regulator is something that will mitigate that effect. So there you go. By the way, this is a 6-speed trans, and I don't know whether the parts that mate with the 6-speed had to be changed. I have to consult with an expert about that. But like is the drive shaft pulley the same on the 6-speed as it is the 5-speed? Not sure yet. But whatever seals I ordered from the 6-speed parts list, bill of materials. So there you have it. This engine has about 40,000 miles on it, as it is a long block replacement for my original engine, which grenaded at 70,000 miles. So total on this motorcycle, I have 112,000 miles. And the engine's been replaced, the transmission's been replaced, all the pulleys have been replaced at various times. The rear fender was replaced. Right now I have the lowers off, but the lowers are the upgraded lowers with the movable vents that cool the engine in the summertime better than the original lowers that came with the motorcycle. Chrome forks, Harley-Davidson forks. They're not covers, they're actually chrome forks. And, well, there she is. My heart is still in this bike, let me tell you. That's why I'm putting this work into it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I wish you a great day and safe riding.